Hi. Recently, during the Easter, me and my wife went to Stockholm just for the Easter weekend, and I did some street photography in the old town and around Stockholm, around the hotel where we lived. Um, so I thought about starting up a new kind of series on this channel where I talk about my photography and my decisions into taking a photograph and why, how, and why and how I took the photographs I took or take. So this is something I thought of it like this. When I take a photograph that feels very special to me, I'm going to talk about it on this channel and post it on Instagram, like I do with most of my photographies anyway. But I want to take the time to dig deeper into a certain photograph I've taken, and it's interesting to me, and I think I hope it's interesting to you too, who decides to follow this tragic attempt of making a YouTube channel. But before we continue, I have a word from my sponsor. Me! I don't like sponsorship that much, but if Sony or DJI would like to sponsor me with cameras or something, I wouldn't say no. I would easily become a sellout. But since I don't think you need Squarespace or any other of those kind of services to become a photographer, my channel will never be sponsored by anything like that. And this isn't going to be a channel that's focused on gear only. I want to make this channel a place to go to just to listen to me babbling about photographs and photography, but also I want to spread the gospel that photography is really easy and it's really fun. And that's mainly what I want to do with this channel. So without further ado, and the sponsor message is: go buy my photographs. I have them on sale on my webpage. Link in the bottom of this, in the description area of this video. Go buy them and sponsor me by buying my photographs, please. I beg you. Okay, see you in Photoshop. Okay, here are 4 photographs I took in Stockholm through what's it called, display window through a store, clothing store. To me, when I developed these photos in Lightroom, I started thinking about the world. Not to be too philosophical, but to me it feels like this kind of shows the world as it is today. It's very black and white. There are no gray areas at all. To me, born in the 70s, it feels like you're either in or you're out. You're either good or you're bad. There's nothing in between. And that actually scares me a bit. And I hope it will change soon. So let's talk about this first photograph. I know already which one I will be posting on. I think I will be posting all 4 on Instagram, but I know in which order they will be posted, I think. So let's go. This first one, let me just arrange them. Whoops. So there we go. This is the first one, and there's not much happening here, other than someone in black sitting on some sort of very polished rock, and let's get some color on that one. Okay. Just do this. Do that, and go back to this one. Yeah. I like the contrast in this photograph, and the reflection of the trees. It almost feels like you're in the nature, even though you're in central Stockholm. I do like this woman in black. To me, she kind of represents the dark side of the world today. And what I don't like is this. I actually don't like this. It kind of became a flag, and I don't want this to be related to any country, any flag, or anything else. I just want the photographs to represent the world as it is today. So to me, I actually would have wanted it something like this instead, if I could have taken it like that. This composition is much better with the subject in the middle, and the shadows going on 1/3 of the image. So this will not be the photograph I'll put first on Instagram. I'm not even sure I will post this on Instagram. Mainly because of the flag shape. So let's close that one down and go to this one. Okay, I like this composition a bit. Let's zoom in. You have this. Let's start up a new, get a new layer like that. Okay, so you have this border between the black and white, between good and evil. And I don't know about you guys, but to me it feels like one evil person can triumph over 2 good people. And this is kind of what this photograph shows to me. What I take with me from this photograph. Oh, okay, there's something wrong with this as well. And it's not like this woman is cut off, but I don't like this. This woman, doll, whatever, is cut off by the legs, and I don't like that. I wanted to have the whole doll in the photograph. So, not sure I'll be posting this either. I think I will, just to show the imperfections that I allow myself to be imperfect. Not every photo you take have to be perfect, but to me I have a hit ratio of, I think, about 1 in every 1 or 2 in every 10 or 20 images. I am very selective of what I shoot. I don't spray and, spray and pray. I don't like that method of photography at all. So here is the photograph I am pretty pleased with. And it's the woman here is kind of okay. I had to cut her off. This doll is shown in her entirety, other than this little cutoff, but I don't care about that. A photograph doesn't need to be 100% perfect. And we have the border cutting off the good from the evil, or the good from the bad, the light from the dark, the Jedi from the Sith, whatever. So yeah, this is the photograph I am mostly pleased with. Now, after taking this one, I thought it would be cool to have some persons in this composition, just to break it off a bit. And so I did. I waited for a while and this guy showed up. And I don't know, I don't like it as much as I thought I would. Okay, you have this woman here. It's a new layer. There's no cutting her off or cutting it off the doll, and this isn't cut off either. The other one is gone. So to me this composition is kind of more balanced than the other three, but this poor guy he didn't do what I thought he would do for the photograph. So the one I'm picking as my favorite is definitely this one. I wonder if I could actually cut that off a bit more. This ratio. 7 by 5, which is my standard go-to. 7 by 5 is my standard go-to aspect ratio, and I wonder if this would be okay too. Yeah, actually this wasn't too bad either, so I think I go with this one. Yeah, what do you guys think? Please tell me in the comments, and tell me in the comments what you think. Okay, so you managed to survive my little babbling about my photograph. Hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully I see you next time around talking about something photography related. Not sure what it will be yet, but it's something related to photography and how easy it should be and how fun it should be. Might also do the video about mental health and photography and why I started using photography as a catalyst when I felt down, blue, bad. Don't do that anymore, but did a couple of years ago. So yeah, that might be the topic. I might talk about something else. We'll see. So, final word from my sponsor. Go buy my photographs. Okay, thank you. Bye.